Good morning. Welcome to Monday, the start of yet another holiday shortened week. It'll be an extra short week if you were smart enough to secure a 4-day Waitangi weekend via a day of annual leave for Friday. I'm not that smart. Yeah, anyway, I am Mike from Markets, and this is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Okay, coronavirus. That continued to dominate headlines over the weekend. Beyond corona, though, we had the UK officially leaving the EU. They are now in a transition phase. And US inflation data, it was broadly as expected. PCE, the personal consumption expenditure measure, it's trucking along at 1.6%. 2% is the goal. Yeah. Okay, right, coronavirus. So over the weekend, actually mainly after the close of play for the week, so 11 a.m. on Saturday morning here, which is 5 p.m. New York on Friday. Anyway, yeah, the weekend was chock full of responses to the virus. Numerous countries, including us, announced steps to tighten border access, and China's central bank, they have announced that they stand ready and willing to inject 21-odd billion worth of yuan into the financial system. Liquidity, basically, and liquidity is the lifeblood of the economy. Yeah, so from a market's perspective, these steps are potentially good things. Yeah, here's a problem and here's what we are doing about it. It's a much better approach than here's a problem, let's wait and see what pans out. Yeah, but today we will wait and see how those steps do pan out. That's a bit odd, I know, but yeah, will they reverse some of the recent risk-off plays? Will they prompt a pause? Will they be broadly ignored? We'll just have to wait and see. Our starting point for the week, though, or I guess more appropriately, our ending point for last week, the Kiwi and the Aussie, they finished the week on the back foot, mid-64s for the Kiwi. Equity markets, also on the slide, declines of between 1 and 2% across the US and Europe. Oil holding near multi-month lows. Yeah, on the plus side, though, the pound, the euro, the yen, and gold. Yeah, they all saw decent moves higher. Yeah. Okay, so that's what happened, and I guess a bit on what might happen. Looking at some other stuff that might happen, or might impact markets today, we have some local forecasts from the Treasury, Chinese manufacturing data, US manufacturing data tonight. Boris Johnson, he is addressing UK business leaders on his transition period plans. What else? The first of the US primaries. That's that thing that will pick who runs against Donald Trump in the November presidential election. And on top of all that, we might also see a bit of positioning ahead of tomorrow's RBA interest announcement. The odds of a cut, slightly less than 1 in 5 at the moment. Yeah. And of course, more coronavirus headlines. Probably. Yeah. Okay, that's it. We're done. We're dusted. Have a great Monday. Ka kite.